In practical applications of Dynamo video series, today we will discuss on how to change the text case of a parameter value. In many a times, the BIM model would have added the parameter values in sentence case. However, when the drawing goes for design review, the reviewer might give an observation asking the modeler to change all the parameter values to uppercase for drawing presentation. Though the command seems to be a simple one, the manual way of re-entering the parameter value is very mundane and time-consuming process. With Dynamo, such corrections can be made simpler and automated. For this exercise, we will update the sheet name from sentence case to uppercase using Dynamo. Let's open Dynamo and create a new script. Our aim in this exercise is to update the sheet names, so we will use categories node and select sheets. By using all elements of category node, we can list all the sheets that are available in this Revit project. The sheet name parameter value shall be obtained by using getParameterValueByName. In case of sheets, there is also a library node called sheet name, which will get the sheet names for us. Meanwhile, let us reconfirm the parameter name from the Revit property window. So now coming back to the output, it can be achieved by updating the sheet name parameter value by using setParameterByName node. Let's connect the element and parameter name. For changing the string to uppercase, there are library nodes available. We can notice that there are two nodes which can modify a string. We can choose either of these nodes to convert the strings from lowercase to uppercase. This node requires a Boolean input. We have got the modified string. When we toggle the Boolean input to false, the text is changed back to lowercase. Let's connect the modified string as input. And run the script. In Revit, the parameter values are updated as required.